advisable. Now we'll proceed for the second point. I am doing as a wet cupping. First, before doing that, I just wipe entirely this region. But where this point is exactly located, you just place this hand and then come down. Do you find there is a depression? Do you know the occipital protuberance? You touch and then feel come down, you can find the depression. This depression to be known as a occipital protuberance, where the point is located, that is the now who, that is DU17. So how to find out DU17? So this is as a cervical vertebra. From the cervical vertebra you go 3 chun above. So this to be known as a posterior hairline. From the posterior hairline 2.5 chun above. 2.5 chun means is the 3 fingers above. You can find from here, press and then come. This to be known as a occipital protuberance. This to be known as a occipital protuberance. Above the occipital protuberance, this region to be known as a, this entire region, Chianding, this is the Chiangjian, and also how now who, but this region point to be known as a oil apply madi. So now we are just applying as a oil over this region. So we just apply the oil this region. Because of the hairs are there, the cup will not stand. Why the cup will not stand on the position on the hair? Because through the hairs the oxygen, air will enter. Oxygen cannot create the maximum vacuum. That's the reason that air will going to enter on this region. Yes. I think you just use it this, you place like this and then you can apply the cup over this region. So we can place it like this and let it be there for few minutes. After the few minutes we'll do even 2-3 minutes also enough. Even I have seen the people are doing in the other countries, and they just place it as a 1 minute. They just place it as a 1 minute and they do this procedure, and that also advisable. Here you can use it as a honey or you can use it as a oil application would be better. So to do this procedure, this here I don't do the wet cupping procedure, but to understand, make you to understand this point is really great point, which called as a al-Khamadua. Al-Hamadua, so that indicating that is the occipital region. Because do you know there are the 2 brains, one brain to be known as a forebrain, that is the cerebrum, the second little brain to be known as a cerebellum. The cerebellum brain is indicated over this region. The 2 brain points are existing, one to be top and the second point to be known as a downwards direction on the occipital region, indicating that all the cerebellum, what is the function of the cerebellum? It is related to the making the equilibrium and also balancing to our body system, and also movement also to be taken place precisely by using this point. So that's the reason this point is really good. At the same time, why it is so important, now you can understand. Now means is the brain. So this the small brain is indicating to treat for the occipital nerve, and also there is a lesser occipital nerve, greater occipital nerve, and also there is a optic nerve. When the optic nerve is directly connecting to the brain system, so therefore do you know the cornea? From the cornea it goes to the sclera, from the sclera it goes to the lens, from the lens it goes to the aqueous humor, from the aqueous humor it goes to the vitreous humor, from the vitreous humor it goes to the macula, from the macula it goes to the optic region, from the central region of the blind region, from there it's connecting to the cerebral cortex, visual cortex of the brain. From this brain, then again getting the signal from the cornea, that lens, you can see it properly what you are seeing. So in that way, this is really important to treat for all the vision related disorders, occipital related pain conditions, and further there is also good for the, however this point is located on the atlas region, therefore this also good for the cervical spondylosis, that's called as a cephalgia. Cephalgia is indicating for the cervical and also headache. So conditions, definitely you can add up this point during our process of the treatment. Remember, this is the very key important. Generally what we do in acupuncture treatment, we apply the needles, but later period we have the intention to do one time is the wet cupping procedure as well, or doing the dry cupping at the same time is advisable, or we can do the wet cupping procedure. That always is good to strengthen the vision related and also any occipital or the little brain. Remember the ear related problem, the walking related problem, balancing related problem, vertigo related issues, and further the movement related conditions, and also vision related disorders. Obviously you can connect this point is the kama dua will be really useful to treat. Being a sunnah point, you don't, if you don't want to keep it anything as a sunnah, you wanted to do it, then you just do it. You just apply this point having the therapeutic effect, because you remember the points has been derived as a 9 points is the sunnah points, is indicating how the medical history says that 3000 above the diseases or disorders are existing, how we can bring the all the diseases under the 5 elements theory. In the similar way, all the diseases we can bring under the 9 points. If the 9 points you have done the purification, then obviously the maximum diseases or disorders can be successfully treatable by activating this point. Now you can recognize the pi hui is the 100 connecting point. Then you remember many more related disorders can be treatable by using this 100 plus diseases or 200 diseases, the macro diseases, minor diseases, the micro diseases, which there is no name such kind of the diseases also existing. For them we can do this kind of the modalities as well. So